Well, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the installation of the hydraulic pump. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, stick around because it's coming up. All right, so last video you saw the PTO housing go on, and in this video we're going to be installing the hydraulic pump. We got a few surfaces that we still need to clean up yet, but we'll be laying this torque tube over on its side, cleaning up some of those areas that are hard to get to, and then we're going to install that hydraulic pump. Okay, so here's the hydraulic pump. I've got it cleaned up. I've got our mating surface right here cleaned up and ready. I will put some Permatex on that as well, and I'll also put Permatex on the side here. I've laid the torque tube over on its side, and I'll put Permatex here, and then we'll have a new gasket that goes in place. And then basically we'll just set it up there and torque down the hardware. So let me get my gasket and everything ready, and then we'll get this thing installed. All right, so we'll go ahead and apply the Permatex around here. Just want to make a thin layer in there. All right, and then our new steel is 702-22530. Gasket, I should say. It's just a little paper gasket, so we'll slide that in place. All right, so as we're looking at it on its side, this is the bottom, obviously towards our PTO, so we want to make sure that we orient the pump. It'll only go on one way anyway, but make sure we get that thing positioned correctly. I've already put Permatex over here on the hydraulic pump itself. So I'm just making a thin layer. As you can see, I had a little bit extra, so I'm just smoothing it out. And I'll just set the pump on. It's just a little bit heavy. We'll put the suction in first. I'll just slide it on there. There it is. All right. So it's kind of, you can kind of see it looks springy. That is the cam lobes in there, and once we tighten this thing down, it will take care of itself there. So okay, so we'll go ahead and get these longer bolts started. I think they are now. Yep. And I'm just going to tighten those up first, and that should draw everything down. Alright, everything's down and tight now. And I'll just get my 9/16 and we'll tighten down the remaining nuts. All right, so that pretty much takes care of the pump being installed. And really at this point, the torque tube itself is completely reassembled. So we'll be doing another video on that. So anyway, hopefully you learned something here. Let you know what the inside of the pump looks like and what that reservoir looks like. And so anyway, with that said, we'll shut this video down for now. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and have a good day.